Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? If it's your first time here, my name is Gary, aka the Plastic Boy. If you guys don't know, then gets to know. So this video is super exciting. If you guys remember, maybe a few weeks ago I did a video all about luxury bags and how to get them, and if you are going to invest in a bag, what kind of bag to get, like from monogram to black. And I was saying just basically how to like keep the value of a bag, like if you're going to sell it down the line, and don't go for these mad kind of trendy bags. So in the video at the end, I did mention I really wanted to do a video on how to obtain affordable designer and how to like really just get into that lane. And a lot of you guys were commenting, and still a lot of you guys are sending requests saying, I really want to get this bag, but how can I get it? Like I really like you know, this kind of designer, I like this designer, but where do I go? So this video is going to be so juicy because I really want to help you guys. You guys know I love fashion so much, and I just feel like if I can help you guys in any way, it would just be, you know, it'll just be like the icing on the cake. So here is the bag here. Focus. So XUPES is an amazing company that do everything pre-owned luxury. So I've had this bag for a while, and I've actually got some footage on, I think, on my phone if I can find it, of me unboxing the bag already and really looking at it. It was just such an amazing bag, and I've just, you know, dealt with them for a while. And I feel like you just have to be so careful when buying pre-owned luxury, because there are a few websites out there that aren't legitimate and don't want you to have, you know, the real deal, even though it is pre-owned. So you just have to be careful in when searching pre-owned luxury, because sometimes these people just aren't legitimate. I'm really excited to show you this bag and really just explain to you what XUPES is. So XUPES is a website that sell pre-owned items. So they sell watches, pre-owned bags, jewelry, I think clothing items as well. I can double check on my phone, but they just do everything, and they're super authentic. Like, guys, they've been in the press, they've worked with Kylie Jenner, they also do customization, which is amazing as well. They do customization, they do so much things, which is just so fun. And what I like about it is when you go on the website, it's super easy to navigate, and it's just so, the customer service is just banging. Okay, so let me just go on the website to double check what they do. So yeah, they do watches, handbags, jewelry, art. Oh, they do art. I didn't know that. They do art. Okay, so if you want a bit of like a little Van Gogh moment, so yeah, they do art, they do design, and but they're mostly known for doing their bags and watches. So you know, if you wanted like a little roly moment, which one day I hope I can get, or if you wanted like a Birkin or something, they can, I think even you can even send them requests. Like if you really want a bag and you basically say, oh, I really want this bag, but I want to get it pre-owned, if you ever get it in, can you hold it for me or let me know? They can basically do their searching, you know, send their birds or whatever to try and find this bag for you. So they you know, they're just really amazing and just such a cool company. So obviously I got this Chanel bag from them, and this Chanel bag is so beautiful, guys. As you guys know, I've already got a Chanel bag. This is a Chanel jumbo bag, which I'm going to show you. The bag I have, which I showed you in my last video, was a Chanel mini one, but I feel like with the mini one, for me, it was very limited. So when I go to the club or go on like a date, I could only fit like maybe my iPhone, and you guys know I like to take my fan around with me. Yeah, this bag is just beautiful. I'm gonna open it for you now. So let me just show you the bag again. So it came in this really cute bag. My camera doesn't want to focus. And they do a variation of bags, because you know Chanel have been obviously in business for years and years. Look at the box. And when you go on their website and search Chanel, there's so many Chanel bags. It's just like, oh my god. So obviously when you think of Chanel, you think of the flat bag, you think of the mini one, you think of the big one, but they have backpacks, they have clutches, they have belt bags, which I might have to deep and dive into. And what I love about XUPES is they have payment plans. So I'm not sure if it's the same as America, but I know KLARNA is in America. You can use KLARNA with them. I think they have Afterpay as well. I can double check after, but I'll confirm in the description bar down below. So if you do want a pre-owned luxury bag, you can pay in monthly installments. So imagine you want a Chanel bag, which is like 3 grand. or even cheaper, you can actually pay in installments, which is what I love. Like, you don't have to break the bank and pay straight away, which some people just can't. Some people can't blow $3 grand on a bag straight away. So it's really good to pay in installments if that's what you really want and you really like this bag. But as I said in my last video, if you are gonna get a bag, definitely get a bag that is gonna be just hold its value. So like maybe a black Chanel bag, a black Prada bag, a black like a monogram Louis bag, just something that you can cherish and hold on for a lifetime, because I wouldn't want you to get a bag that you obviously pay so much money for and then in the next 4 or 5 years you can't really sell it. But I'm going to show you the bag anyway. I'm talking so much. This is the box here and I'm just going to open it. So it's packaged really cute like that. This is white, so my camera is going to move so mad. So let me open this. So it comes with the Zoop bag. Let me put that to the side. This is like a professional unboxing. Have I ever done one of these on my channel? I don't think I've ever done like a proper bag unboxing. I don't think it's my first time. Oh, okay. And obviously it has the Chanel quilts, so we know. Oh, it smells good, guys. I love the smell. Something's wrong with me. And this, let me show you the bag. This is the bag.
I am wigless.
How gorgeous is this bag? So this is the Chanel Jumbo Flat Bag, and I just feel like it suits me so well. So let me just see if I can stand up, because you know we're in limited time. So this is the bag here, and I feel like it's just so cute and it suits me so much just because it's so big. It's a bit more masculine. Obviously you can tuck the chain in and wear it in different ways, and this bag is just so gorgeous. Let me show you inside how much space there is. So they really pack it up for you. It's so nice. Obviously this bag is real if anyone wants to know. The bag is authentic. It's Zooped only deal with authentic bags. Like when they get a bag in, they check it to the 10, okay? So obviously if you were gonna sell something on their website, they're gonna check it. They're not gonna be like, okay, we're just gonna take your product bag and give you the money. No, they're gonna check if it's authentic, guys, because we all know. What is that siren? We all know how there are some people that do counterfeit designer bags, which isn't cute. We just don't do that lane. That lane isn't for us. It's not for us. So they definitely check everything. If you're looking to sell something on there, they're gonna check everything on there for you. So this is what I love. So this is the bag and this is what it's like inside. So let me take it out and hold on, let me just look in the compartments. So I'm gonna show you what they give you. So this is the what do you call this again? Sorry, I can never say the word. Authenticity card. That's it. Authenticity card, which proves that the Chanel bag is real and it has a serial number, guys. So if you're going to a Chanel store or anything, they can obviously confirm that the bag is real. So whenever you buy a bag, even if it's brand new or not pre-owned, a bag is always going to come with some kind of card like this, which has a serial number on there. It always just comes with any designer bag that you have. And so that's the bag inside, guys. It's so big. I can't even like explain how many compartments. So it's got one zip compartment there, which has there, and it's also kind of got like a large one there. So this would be good for like powders and stuff, or maybe like cards. And then it's got a big one here, which I could put my fan in, my phone, my diary. You could actually probably fit like a MacBook Air in there, but I don't really carry my MacBook or anything around with me because, girl, I'm not trying to get licked down in the street. So I just love this bag, guys. Let me show you it again. It's really pretty. Obviously, you can obviously look at other Chanel bags, but I just love this one because it's big. It's like jumbo size. It's super cute, and it's just giving me that moment. Obviously, it's black and gold, which is my favorite. If you guys know me, I only wear gold. I don't really wear silver, but they do have different variations of Chanel bags on there, which have gold and silver hardware. Guys, when you smelled a Chanel bag and you smell the leather, bish.
Am I gonna cry?
But this is the bag here. It's so gorgeous. Obviously this is like pre-owned, it's not brand new, so this did have an owner before me, but that doesn't really bother me. When they get bags, they definitely thoroughly clean them, they disinfect them, they make sure the bag is up to quality of a standard. Obviously it just depends on how much you pay. So I know they do Birkins on there, and girl, you know Birkins are super expensive. Like Birkins can cost you an arm and a leg and a mortgage and maybe something more. And I was actually looking at getting a Kelly. Well, not getting one, but I've dreamed of getting one, so I was looking on their website, and I think the higher the price, the better the quality. So when people trade in their bags, sometimes they'll have scratches on there. This one is in such good condition. I'm so shocked there's no scratches or anything. But sometimes when if you're looking at another bag, they may have a scratch or something on there, so that's why the price is significantly lower. But I would definitely say go on the website. They ship worldwide. I know they have different locations. So if you're based in London, they've got a store in Bank, which is beautiful, like stunning. It's like designer heaven. So definitely check out their website. I'm going to put all their description and stuff down below. And if you're looking at a bag, definitely check them out, just because it's the only kind of pre-owned luxury service website I used, which I kind of recommend. I've used some others which I'm not gonna say on, because I really feel like you shouldn't speak bad on other companies, but all I'm gonna say is I've been messed about many times. No tea. But yeah, this is the bag. What do you guys think of the bag? Do you love it? I just think even with this outfit, like, it's so casual. Obviously I've got a gold chain on and it matches that, and I feel like I can, you know, just have like a total moment. Like, it's so nice. I just love it, honestly love it. Also, it's got a back pocket there, which I probably wouldn't use, but if you obviously, you can put a passport in there if you're in the airport or something, just so it's just easy access. But I always get scared with these kind of pockets because I'm just clumsy myself, so I need to put something in the bag, because knowing me, I've lost my passport before, so but guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. And you can definitely get amazing pre-owned luxury bags. If you guys go on the website and you see a bag that you like, definitely send me a picture, just so we can, you know, we can have like a little kiki, a little talk. I'm always available on my DMs on Instagram. And yeah, let me guys know if you're interested in any bags, so we can talk, and I can definitely give you some advice on like what bags like to get. Obviously Chanel's a good brand, Prada, Louis Vuitton, I spoke about the monogram. Get a monogram bag if you really want one. And yeah, obviously if you can get a Birkin, Kelly, girl, get what you need to get. But obviously for now, I can only get this Chanel bag, which is period poo. Thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely check them out. I'll leave all their description and website down below. They're just really known. If you Google them, you will see that Kylie Jenner is very heavily associated to them. But they just do some amazing pieces. I really want to look at their watches. I would love to have a Rolex one day. I can dream. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna manifest it, so that's gonna happen. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want a part 2 of this video, definitely let me know. Feel free to DM me in my Instagram DMs. And obviously, if you want to contact XUPES, you can. They have a really good customer service team. So if you have any requests, or if you're looking for a kind of bag, or you don't know what to start with first, you can also message them as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.